Have you ever wondered why certain events keep repeating in your life? Why some people come in just for a short while, yet they may leave a very important lifelong lesson behind? Why does your heart feel so drawn towards certain things, even when they don't seem logical? There's a reason for all this. Your soul chose it all, even before you took this birth. In this video, let's explore what a soul contract really is, how it shapes your life, most importantly, how you can align with it consciously to live your best life. What really is a soul contract? A soul contract is an agreement your soul makes before coming into this world. It's like a sacred blueprint, outlining the important lessons and experiences that will help you grow in this life. Every joy, every challenge, every relationship in your life carries meaning. In fact, it is said there are no coincidences, there are only God incidences. Everything is a part of the divine design. Some come into our life to show how strong we are. Others come to awaken certain parts of us that would only be revealed to us through a challenge or through a pain. However, a soul contract is not a punishment. It's rather the soul's curriculum for growth. Just like in school, you can learn with ease, you can learn with power, or you can resist and struggle. The lessons remain waiting for you to awaken to their message. If only we start living with little more awareness, then the challenges in our lives, my dear friends, will not last for too long. How do you, however, recognize the reason behind something? The universe leaves signs everywhere. So this is what you can do. To start living with more awareness, ask yourself, what activities make me lose track of time? What are the things I can do effortlessly without anybody forcing me to do them? What experiences bring out happiness in my life? Or are there any things that instantly bring my energy down, that cause me pain? What is it that I naturally do, which also helps others? These are very important questions, and trust me, your purpose is often hidden in what you love and what you have healed. So take some time, keep a pen and paper with you, write down answers to these questions. Remember, if you have overcome pain in the past, maybe your contract is to help others heal. If you have found peace in confusion, maybe your purpose is to guide others towards more calmness. Nothing you have gone through is ever going to go waste. Every experience prepares you to serve in a special way. So even if you've had a very challenging life so far, remember it has been for a reason. And most often the reason is to reach out to a larger people, because your energy itself will inspire and heal others. When you stop resisting life, start trusting it, your contract begins to unfold effortlessly. However, there are 3 steps you can start taking to align with your soul contract. Number 1, acceptance. Instead of asking, why me? Why me? Why did this happen? Start asking, what can I do about it? What is this teaching me? Acceptance transforms suffering into power and wisdom. The one who accepts gains divine awareness. Once the awareness comes, peace will come. And this peace comes with a lot of power. Power to heal, power to transform, power to change for the better. Second, inner listening. Spend some quiet moments each day connecting with your own self, with your heart. This can be done through silent sitting, journaling. If you resonate with a particular form or name of God, please chant that name and see how much better you feel. Listen to your inner voice. At night, ask God, please help me experience you. Please let me know how I'm supposed to live my life. Please guide me. That voice knows your contract. It's the voice of your higher self. It will talk to you. It will guide you. It will show you the way. But just remember to be consistent with seeking guidance. The third thing that you need to do is inspired action. You see, so many times we receive guidance, but we don't act on it. You don't make that mistake. Once you receive guidance, you feel very strongly about something, act on it. Every small inspired action brings you closer to the life your soul intended for you. Remember, the universe supports those who are willing to walk their path consciously, with courage and with joy in their heart that only the best will happen to them. When you have aligned with your purpose, you stop chasing, then you start attracting effortlessly. Peace replaces anxiety and you start experiencing joy without any reason. So your purpose is not one grand goal. It's how you live every day. It's in your words, it's in your actions, it's in your energy. You don't have to find your purpose. You just have to connect with it. Every morning, affirm to yourself, I am aligned with my soul's highest plan. I trust divine wisdom to guide my steps. Your life is never random. If you just keep this one thing in mind, then it will be a sacred journey. And you will realize it's a sacred journey your soul chose to love, to awaken, to heal. The more you live with awareness and gratitude, the clearer your why becomes in life. The more you start living from purpose. Before we close, once again, let's recap 3 simple ways to live in alignment with your soul contract. Accept things. Every challenge is here to help you grow. Listen to your inner guidance through silent sitting, meditation, journaling, prayer. Third, act with love and faith. When you take inspired steps, universe responds. Solutions will come. Follow these and you will naturally live with more clarity, peace, and divine grace. Remember, it's always the light that's been within you that is waiting to shine. There is nothing that you are lacking in life. Life is beautiful. Life is meant to enjoy, to experience. Start applying these simple things and you are sure to experience true joy and happiness in life. If this message resonated with you, take a moment today to listen to your heart. Spend some quiet time with yourself. Listen to this video over and over again and start doing what you've always meant to do, which is live your best life. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless. If you enjoyed this video, then do share it with others, subscribe to this channel and stay connected with all the tools and techniques I'm sharing.